Alright, how's it going there, YouTube? So, doing the shifter cable in Buddy here. Everybody said it was easy. It is not. So, I wanted to make a quick video just to kind of go over some things that you got to do, things that you got to be ready for. Okay. Let's do this in one shot. Here we go. Underneath the car. Ugh. Okay, so you got to undo your bolt here. Just do it already. Take these off of here so that you can drop this down. The little cable here, it's got those pinch things to slide it in and out, and you will not be able to do it unless you take that off. So just go ahead and do that. The other thing that's a pain in the ass is shit, sorry guys. Gotta get better at this. Okay, you can kind of see where the cable is, where the cable goes in. Yeah, that wasn't easy. All right, so you'll pop that through. You'll get all that stuff, and then up front, on top here. Sorry. All right. Obviously, you got to take off your, your little plate there. You can get this out, but you will never get this back on. You gotta take the 4 bolts out of the plate for the shifter to move that up to get that to click in. Just go ahead and do it. You might be able to get the thing taken out without undoing any of that stuff, but you will not get it back in until you do, okay? In there is that pain in the ass stopper, which on the one that I took out was a nice soft rubber kind of stopper. That one is like a really hard, almost hard plastic, and it really sucks. So that's kind of tough. I gotta mess with that. But getting it back in, you'll slide the cable in from here. Okay, I would suggest you do this part first. Reattach, put your pin on that little post there. Do that. Put the line through. Mount up that other bracket. Okay, come under here. Once the cable's done, go ahead and put that, I'm so sorry guys, go ahead and put that little bracket piece on, then bolt it all back up, bolt everything, and then you should be fine. But again guys, nobody will tell you, you got to remove that. You have to remove that that bracket, and you really need to remove the bolts in that shifter plate to be able to do this. Other than that, I mean, it's pretty easy. All right, hey, like and subscribe if you want to learn more stuff. All right, see you guys.